Okay, welcome back to the I'm the only one doing this channel. So before, a little change of scene. We were down in the engine room, had to do a couple of other things, but this is now getting an acid bath, and you might have noticed before the color of it was a lot different. Now I do suggest that people don't do as I'm doing, which is, wear protective gloves and stuff, because this is kind of a pretty nasty thing to get on your hands. But due to a timing thing, because we got some weather coming in, I'm dealing with it. Now, the glass bezel, as you can see here, has some junk in it. Well, we're going to dispose of that correctly and then install the new gasket kit. Comes from Perco. This thing here happens to be a well, yeah, one of those. So fit yours accordingly, but all the gaskets that you have taken out, like so, just make sure that they are the same kind and they fit. That will be a huge godsend and a savior of time down the road, should you choose to take on a project like this yourself. Okay, so this is part 2 of that. We're going to make this a 3-part series. 1, disassembly. 2, taking apart, analysis, and figuring out what we need to do. 3, making sure we have all the parts. 4-part assembly, putting back together, testing the system. Out.